It's very rare to play golf within a sort of dune system. Hopefully we can encourage wildlife, especially with the birds, with the fauna and flora. So they'll get a slightly different experience than they would normally if they're just playing a normal golf course with just green all around and not taking a lot of notice in terms of what the actual the nature and the environment is around them. So they'll get a different experience with that, and hopefully, for myself, you take notice of that, it becomes more of a experience, more of a journey for the golfer whilst they're here at Pyle Kenfig.
So I think sustainability has become a buzzword really in the golf industry of late, and I think something that the STRI ecologist has raised is that golf needs the environment, and the environment also needs golf as well. Obviously golf courses use up a lot of green space, and if we can demonstrate that we're looking after that space, then that should be in everyone's interest really.
I think it's a case of us following our environmental and sustainably planning as well. And more importantly, it was the GEO. As far as golf courses now, championship golf courses have to be GEO verified. So it's how you look at all your different processes with nature, as far as your sustainability, how you buy products in terms of your chain supply. So it's all those different elements that make you a greener golf club. So therefore we've managed to do that as part of the Dunes and Dunes project.